So cute. Yeah, this is the place. This is the place. So cool. That's so cute. You know who I'll bring here? Yolanda. Because she looks like. Okay, she will like it. It tastes just like banana. And that's what it is. Yep. And that'll be it. Wow. We stopped to get panzerotti and I'm so excited. They're gonna be so good. I can't wait. I got the white pizza. And then I got the classic panzerotti. So excited to eat it. And then we're going to Dunkin' Donuts next. And we're gonna get the butter pecan frozen coffee.